Hi everyone, welcome to Shivkarthikeya Smart Learning. In this video, we are going to learn about the Indian states and its capitals. India states and its capitals. First one, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. Second one, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Third one, Assam, Dispur. Fourth one, Bihar, Patna. Fifth one, Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Sixth one, Goa, Panaji. Seventh one, Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Eighth one, Haryana, Chandigarh, Chandigarh. Ninth one, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. 10th one, Jharkhand, Ranchi. 11th one, Karnataka, Bengaluru. 12th one, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. 13th one, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra. 14th one, Maharashtra, Mumbai. 15th one, Manipur, Impal. 16th one, Meghalaya, Shillong. 17th one, Mizoram, Aizawl. 18th one, Nagaland, Kohima. 19th one, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. 20th one, Punjab, Chandigarh. 21, Rajasthan, Jaipur. 22, Sikkim, Gangtok. 23, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. 24, Telangana, Hyderabad. 25, Tripura, Agartala. 26, Uttarakhand, Dehradun. 27th, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. 28th, West Bengal, Kolkata. Now at present we have 28 states and 8 union territories. I hope you like this video regarding the India states and its capitals. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel and also watch the other videos. Thank you.